Hey everybody, this is Alex from mytradersjournal.com, and today I am doing a little account cleanup. I mentioned this the other day when I was looking at what I needed to do in my account, and I should have done it then, but I delayed and it cost me a few bucks. So all I'm doing is closing out this triple Q. I have a ratio spread on it that let me actually change the look here. I had both of these, 4 that I'm short on the August 133, 2 that I'm long, thinking triple Q might go down. It hasn't, and I don't think it's about to. So it's actually up at 145.5 almost. So I don't think it's going to come down to this. It would be 139-ish below that with to make my current premiums go up. You would have to get below 138.55. So somewhere in this range. I'm not real precise on this. Using that mouse there, that opens it up some. So around there would be about where it needs to come down for me to make a profit. So I might as well just get rid of it now. So what I've done, I went ahead and put the order in. I had a limit at 47 because it was at 46, 47 a little while ago. But I'm going to lower that until it hits. I'm not even going to mess around for another penny. I'll go ahead and just there. There's my 2 there. So those hit. I got $87.71. Let's see, where was triple Q trading? 144.47, 48, I guess. Pretty good. So not actually what I thought I was going to do when I talked about it the other day was to close both sides. I'm going to leave the 133 puts open. It's only $13 per contract, and so that is, my mind's still a little fuzzy, so I'm putting this in my calculator. I'm still on medication. So do not get poison ivy and have to have a heavy antihistamine steroid. It is not a lot of fun for your brain. So that's 52 bucks I'll save by not closing the other one. That will, I guess, pay for more antihistamine or beer if I'm better. So triple Q is done for that one. I'm leaving the short open, so I have a lot of exposure, but really looking at it, I'm going to open up this chart a little bigger here. 133 is, it's not even on the screen. That's how big it is. That's how low it is. Here it is. And right now that's trading at 13 cents, I just said. So around there, that's at 15 cents below. It would have to go down to 132.87 for me to get out of this and make it a smart trade to close it. I don't see it dropping in the next 3.5 weeks down here. Maybe it'll come down to 135. That'd be cool. I'd be happy to rewrite some new puts on it down there. But I've got a couple of alerts in here if it does go down. Not that I would even change it. If it drops that far, that fast, when there's no real earnings catalyst, I mean, there could be something, but Google already came out today. Not the best, but not enough to sink NASDAQ. So anyway, I'm holding on to those. Other one to look at, switching gears here. So again, repeating this, I'm getting rid of that one. I'll go ahead and delete that from the list here. Still have my shorts on triple Q. If I sort by time value here, my triple Q's there. XLF, that's only 17 cents, 16, 17 cents. And flip over here, it just popped up again today above 25. So I don't think that one again is at 24 cents here. Excuse me, $24. Way down here. I don't see it coming down. I'll take the fat risk of saving $32.16 times 2, and I'm not even going to roll that one now. I want to see, especially after it gaps up like that, a lot of the times it'll fill the gap in, meaning it'll come down here. You know what, while I'm in here, I'll go ahead and put an alert in. If it gets below 25 again, I'll reduce it right down there. I might make another trade because I think it's going to find support at the 10 or a 20-day moving average, or looks like they're going to come together there. Find support and come back up. So I might do that. I could, and this is, I wasn't planning on covering this in this posting this video, but now I'm kind of off on a tangent. So I have the order in from forever ago when I put this, the same day I put this in. I meant to do 4 and I did 2. And so I had an order in for 105 that ever dipped. It did not dip, so the order just stayed. It'll expire when it gets there. But if I wanted to add another one, I could add a 25 strike, maybe do those at 60. I'll think about that. I don't know if I'll do that now, but it's one to watch. So going back to what else I have to work with, Walmart, of all stocks, is rocking it today. This is the one I got in a while ago. 75 is a strike. I think I did it. I can't even remember. I could look back, but I think I got it somewhere. Yeah, here it was. On the day that Amazon announced they were buying Whole Foods and Walmart got scared. Didn't make sense to me. I got in. I didn't go too aggressive. I was at the money, which for me lately that's been aggressive. But it got scary-ish. So it dropped down. I had a paper loss, I guess, held on. Now it's cruising. So I'm going to hold on to that one. I could. That's at 46. 40, I could close that probably for 47 cents. I'm not going to. Again, just let it wind out. That one's in August. So let's go over and look at Walmart. What else? If I rolled it higher, out to September, I didn't mention that. I could roll it out to, still not much. I want to wait and see what happens with it, especially after it gaps up like that. It could also come down towards 70, low 70s. I'll put an alert in there so I can get in the low range here maybe. If it comes anywhere in there, I might consider rolling it and doing something new. That'll come in line with these. Look at that, the 10, 20, and is that the 50 is the green one here. That could all provide support as it comes up, along with this trend line, which looks like it's off of what it should be there. All of it could come into play, and that, I'm not even dragging that out to see where it goes. But that was one I drew a while ago, so could be irrelevant now. Other things, so it's looking good for me. Look at on the side over here, everything's green except for analog devices, which has actually also been good. Let's see if I still have that up. That's something different. Okay, I'll just pull it from the list. ADI, there you are. It's kind of hovering. It's still in that same trading pattern I talked about last week, I guess is when I mentioned it. But it has this trend line of lower highs and higher lows stuck in here. It's going to break out in one direction or the other soon. And it's not really looking great right now because shorter chart, it's trading below a few of the averages and it's crossed over. Those are all bearish signs to be below the 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, and 50-day moving averages. Anyway, that's, I might want to think about closing that, but I'm not too worried about it. It might come down, but it's been below those averages, the moving averages, for long enough where it's not a big deal, I don't think. All right, so that's my short summary for today. I've got to be a longer video than I thought. I'm letting these run. Disney's fine. IWM is fine. MDY is actually one I could roll sooner or not, but I've got enough going on this week. I'll come back fighting harder next week, hopefully, when my brain is all the way cleared up again. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, comments below. Subscribe if you haven't. If you have anything you want me to chart, maybe next week I'll try to, I'm going to have a busy week this week and next week. But start giving me some ideas if you want to. Anything you want me to chart or talk about, leave it in the comments, shoot me an email. If you have my email address for my blog too, alex@mytradersjournal.com, and I'll see if I can get some more videos posted that way. All right, thanks for watching. See y'all soon.